Hello. Hi. This is episode 2 of property reviews and makeovers. Um, I just want to show you a makeover project that working on right now. So I'll just show you the nice photos first. So this is it. Yeah. So just show you a bit about. Here's how it looks like.
Take a picture of the moon above in May or June. Then you can make love morning, night,
It's
or
actually
noon.
the
By the light
surroundings.
of that same old
The surroundings is actually a gated guarded
Take
community
a
area.
picture of the
This car porch
moon
can fit around 6 cars.
Then you can sit right on a
So we just created a fish pond earlier,
when you feel
and then put some plants. I plan to paint this door white color. This is the entrance foyer area. Yeah, this is the furniture right now. IKEA. A long kitchen cabinet. Kitchen tabletops. Ground floor there's a patio as well that takes you to a jacuzzi somewhere here. Just a jacuzzi, and then you can have the view of the ocean, Andaman Sea. Just going to improve on some plants here as well. There's a roof, and this is actually the 2-story house. Freehold, 6,900, about 7,000 square feet. 6 plus 1 bedder. So this is the ground floor master bedroom. The toilet, then the staircase takes you upstairs. Then this is the master bedroom as well. It comes with a balcony with attached bathroom, walk-in wardrobe here as well. I plan to refurbish the toilets, balcony area, to do a bit of repainting. This is one of the small bedrooms, single bed. There's another bedroom here. This is another bedroom. So you can see there are 4 to 5 bedrooms. 4 bedrooms plus this one is like a little pantry upstairs. If you don't want to go down, So So I surrounded most of the other residents here are expatriates. So okay.
Take a picture of the moon.
So I just show you a couple of things that I have done or plan to do. So just show you the ground floor first. There's a fish pond here. Work in progress. So basically, I get this very mobile type of plastic pump with filter. Yeah, that's right. So it's cheaper. This is actually for aquarium size, but I think it's actually suitable still under renovation. You can see a small fish pond like this as well. Cost effective. Pipes everywhere. As you can see, one hole sucking the water in and one hole sucking the water out. So I'm doing some renovation here. I'll just show you the inside of the house. This area, as you can see, previously was tiles. It was a 2x2 tiles. I've added Harrington bone kind of vinyl tiles design. As you can see, it's a little bit more cozier. Then the wooden cabinets was there all along, so I painted it white to give it a more minimalist look. The curtains, I'll still keep it white, so basically there will be some rearrangement of things here at minimal cost. So for the wall here, I did painted it two-tone. which is I'm still experimenting on this two-tone wall color. And which is the wall is actually below is white, above is windmill. This is the staircase to level second floor. This is actually the storeroom. The kitchen here, I will still need to do some work. It's cleaner now. So this is actually the entrance to the patio area in the back. Still need to stage this place a bit with using this storeroom to stage all the items. There's one guest bedroom here. Or it's quite a good size as well. Can be a master bedroom as well. I've changed the doorknob. Last time was those
plan to paint in this cabinet white color.
Shopee, and they're quite nice and decent looking. And there's a toilet here as well.
Plan to change some of the tiles here as well. So stay tuned.
Toilet here as well. So going back out to the upstairs, there will be actually another 1, 2.
So as you can see, these are the some of the renovation. I'll skip this video short because it's over 5 minutes already. I'll do a part 2 of this property in another separate video. So thank you very much for listening. So stay tuned. I'll be sending more videos on future improvements of this property. Thank you.